everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Welcome to my channel and welcome to Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We are currently on day 9. Before we get to today's gift though, I just want to address something. Just so you know, I record in advance just because of life, and sometimes I'll do a day in advance, sometimes 2 days in advance. I try to do it as close to the day that it's going to air as possible, but sometimes I have appointments and stuff like that. So because of that, I did not realize that on Tuesday, Jenny was releasing markers on the day she had the markers in the box. So I have the price wrong, and I appreciate the viewer, and I can't remember your name, but I'll put it up on the screen, the person who pointed this out to me. So I appreciate it. I recorded that video on Monday for Tuesday, just so I have time to edit, and I did not know that. But I will adjust the price in the description. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about was that wonderful soap that I got yesterday. I really wasn't thrilled with it until I used it. Oh my goodness, it is awesome. It is so soft on my hands and I absolutely love it. That is put out by the Missouri Quilt Museum, and I'll put a link below. You can purchase it, and they have other things like I think button soaps and a half a spool of soap. And it really is wonderful. My hands are so soft, especially since doing the hardwoods, my hands have been a mess, and I really love that soap. So that was a good product, even though I wasn't thrilled with it at the time. All right, so on to today. Today is day 9, and I mentioned that it felt like, I don't know, like needles or something like that. So let's open it up and see what it is. This one happens to be sealed really well. I see scissors. Oh, it is, they're embroidery scissors. Ooh, I like these. Who can't use a pair of scissors? I mean, I love getting scissors, even though I have a ton. I still love getting them. I'll put these in with my English paper piecing or something like that. I love them. That's a really great gift. This is the stuff I expected to see. Yay, love it. I will put the price up on the screen. I'll also put the running total of where we're at with this box so far. Just a reminder, I paid about $160 for the box. So we're really getting close to what I paid, and we're only on day 9. So that's pretty good. These are really nice though. I'll let you know what I think of them. Okay, so let's see, day 10. Okay, this is, okay, it feels very squishy at the bottom, but then there's something hard here. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe a pincushion, but it's really squishy at the bottom. Can't wait to see what this is, and I can't wait to share it with you tomorrow on tomorrow's video. Thank you again for watching and commenting. I'm really enjoying the comments. I'm trying my best to get back to everybody, and I can't wait to see what's next. Have a great day. Make sure you take some time to sew, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.